Hi, this is Kevin Martini with the Kevin Martini Group at Gateway D&J Mortgage right here in beautiful Raleigh, North Carolina. As we're about a third of the way into February 2013, the housing analysts are gaining perspective on the 2012 real estate market and are using this data to project where we may be headed throughout 2013. For home sellers, there's a lot to be excited about. For home buyers, however, especially first-time home buyers, the cost of homes and home ownership is expected to rise. The sooner you buy, the more likely that you will get a great deal. The data shows that 2012 was a year recovery for mortgage loan origination. Approximately 8.6 million mortgage loans were originated in 2012. Now, this is a 34% increase from the year prior and the most since 2007. This is significant because mortgage standards are a little bit more tighter today as compared to last decade. Now, at the Kevin Martini Group, we have and always will take a very common sense approach to qualifying a borrower. Now, check this out for a second. According to the National Association of Realtors, the rate of existing home sales jumped last year. The sales data, which includes single-family homes, townhomes, condominiums, shows that the total sales for 2012 reached 4.65 million, an increase of 9% from 2011. Not only does this represent the highest level of annual sales in the last 5 years, it also marks the largest increase in sales since 2004. Furthermore, the median existing home price was $176,600 in 2012, and that's a 6.6% increase from the previous years. Now, not since 2005 has the median home price improved this much year over year. Now, several U.S. cities showed a double-digit annual home gain growth based on the most recent Case-Shiller Index report. Now, nationwide, home values are rising, putting pressure on today's home buyers. According to Realty Trac's year-end 2012 U.S. foreclosure market report, 2.3 million foreclosure filings were reported on 1.8 million properties throughout the U.S. during 2012. This marks a 3% decrease in the previous years. Now, as compared to 2010, foreclosure activity is down 36%. For today's home buyers, the lack of foreclosed homes for sales removes viable buying options. Now, always remember that distressed properties do not always represent the best deal. That being said, foreclosed homes tend to sell at a slight discount as compared to comparables that are not distressed properties. Now, with fewer foreclosed homes for sale, it is tougher to find real discounts. It's one reason why median home sales prices are actually rising in today's market. Furthermore, with mortgage delinquencies down more than 9% annually, 2013 is expected to see fewer foreclosures nationwide. So what will mortgage rates do in 2013? Raleigh mortgage rates have been rising since the start of the year, tracking on a 0.25% increase since January 1. The increase has been a shock to rate shoppers and has raised the cost of home ownership. However, the jump is right in track with the Mortgage Bankers Association's 2013 mortgage rate predictions. Now, according to the MBA, mortgage rates will reach 4.4% by the end of the year, more than 1% above where they started this year. Remember, when Raleigh mortgage rates move up by 1%, it reduces the buyer's buying power by 10%. With Raleigh mortgage rates and the home prices both forecast to increase this year, home buyers and would-be refinance householders should go ahead and lock in a low mortgage rate now while affordability remains at all-time highs. In closing, there's 11 months left in the year, and Raleigh mortgage rates are still remain near historic levels, which means now is a great time to consider a home purchase or refinance. My name is Kevin Martini, and I'm a trusted mortgage banker with Gateway D&J Mortgage. My career in the financial services is built on honesty and integrity. For great mortgage rates, for trusted advice, Turbo fast closings in a stress-free environment where we maximize your time and minimize your frustration. Please give us a call. 919-274-3700. Thanks for watching, and please share.